it's Miss Sa. Today I thought I would show you how to fold a tea towel and a face cloth. And these are basic skills that you can use if you want to help fold laundry with your family, which I'm sure they would love to help. So here we go. So we're going to take the two bottom ends, okay? We're going to take them and we're going to match them right up to the top. Right up to the top. Okay? Here we are. We've matched it up. Next, we're going to take the two side corners and we are going to fold them to the other side. Last, we're going to take the two bottom corners again, like we did the first step, and we're going to go up, match it again. And there's your tea towel. Okay, face cloth is the same thing, just a smaller piece of fabric. So here we go. Two bottom corners, we're going to take them right up to the top. Take the two sides, bring them over. Done. You can do these also, this folding also can be done for like hand towels. They can be done for the big bath towels. You can use this skill for a lot of the laundry that you have in your laundry basket. So give it a try, give it a practice, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.